My name is Jim Harris with the J. Harris Academy of Police Training. Part 2 of the Chicago Police Promotional Exam for Sergeant is coming. This is why you need to be prepared now. Make sure you get the training you need to get the promotion you deserve. At the J. Harris Academy of Police Training, we have an intensive 3-day workshop dealing with the assessment center. Everything from oral boards to written exams, the benchmarks that the subject matter experts are looking for, the common questions being asked. In this intensive 3-day workshop, 3 consecutive days in a row, you will have the opportunity to attend the morning session or the evening session. During that time frame, if you happen to miss any of these classes, it is okay. We will record one of these classes and post it in the online classroom. That's right, you will have access to an online classroom from the day you register until the day you take your exam. In addition to the in-person classes, the online classroom has common areas that you need to look at. It has examples for you to practice with. It has management theory videos based on common management books throughout the profession that are used to build these exams. You will have access to this online resource from the day you register until the day you take your exam. In addition to that, you have the in-person classes where we will cover these important areas. In addition to that, on one of these 3 days, you have the opportunity to join some of the instructors for open discussion between 1:30 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon, any one of those 3 days. During that time frame, you will work with an instructor in small group sessions, depending on how many people are present. And during that time, you can ask any questions you have. You could take practice rounds with others in this segment. It's important that you get this information so that you could be successful on this exam. Obviously, one of the most common questions we get because of the area regarding your current pass-fail rating on the written exam: do you get a refund if you don't qualify for Part 2? The answer is yes. We want to make sure that you get the promotion you deserve. You get the training that you need to be successful. This is why, if you are already not a current student of the J. Harris Academy of Police Training, you can get this training, Part 2 training, for the cost. And if you do not qualify, you present proof of not qualifying for Part 2, we can refund you that money. So it's essential you get the training now. Contact us through the link, jharristraining.com, and we'll see you in class.